Hello dear traders, today is the 16th of April, Tuesday. Here's a new video review I have prepared for InstaForex company. Today I have already offered a downward trading idea for gold. Let us find out what else we can do under the current market conditions. Let us first focus on the macroeconomic events. Today traders may pay attention only to the Chinese GDP figures. The main news flow will start tomorrow. Some countries will issue inflation data while the US will publish its oil reserves data. On the trading chart, we see that at the end of the Asian trade, gold started falling. Last week, we planned to sell the asset with a target of 2,317 USD per troy ounce. The price may easily reach this level amid overbought conditions. One more target could be seen a bit lower at a mirror level. The euro-dollar pair also continues losing value. Although there is an upward correction, I'm not very interested in this instrument. The situation with the pound-dollar pair is also the same. Yesterday there was a bearish spin bar. Today the pair showed some corrective movements. However, there are no interesting swing points. I have a great intention of buying the Australian dollar. However, it's falling and will hardly stop soon. By the way, there is a swing low that was recorded in November. The dollar-yen pair is climbing. It seems that the Bank of Japan is not monitoring the situation as closely as before. At present, the pair is trading at the level of 154. However, the actions of the Japanese central bank are very difficult to predict. That is why traders should be very cautious. It's not a very good idea to open numerous short orders at the moment. For now, I'm going to stop there. Stay tuned for our next video review.